Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert PDF to Word. Let's get started. In order to actually do that, we need to head over right here to our actual browser. From in there, click on this search right here and then search in here for PDF to Word. Now you can see in here this PDF filler as well as I love PDF and small PDF. You can head over and then just choose from those three. For me, I'll head over and choose this I love PDF right here. Then click on the select PDF file and then just head over and then select the media or file that you want. For me, I'll head over and then convert this paper towns PDF into a Word. Now, as you can see, this will upload. So head over and click on this convert to Word. And then once you have done that, this will be uploaded. And then once it's been uploaded, you should be able to see in here another button. So let's just wait for this right here to finish the uploading process. But once it's done, we should be able to convert it. As you can see, it's now been done. So in here, let's just wait for this. Once you have finished the upload, it will convert the PDF to Word. So don't close your browser and wait until the files are uploaded and processed. So depending on the size of your PDF, this may take a few minutes to just some 10 minutes as well depending on the size. But once it's done converting, you can head over and download it from in there. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer. Thanks.